How to create chat folder in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create a chat folder on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the bottom just right here. Select it. Then here you can find chat folders just right here. Now tap on it. Now to create a chat folder, tap on to create a folder just right here. Select it. Now simply add the folder name just like this and tap on to add chats and simply add the chats just like this and tap on to done. And you can simply change the appearance of the folder as well just from here. Now after that, simply tap on to create. And now you can see the folder has been created. And that's it. This is how you can create a chat folder in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.